Alright, y'all, so we just pulled her out and she left a motherfucking trail. That is power steering fluid. God damn. So I'm gonna go get some more power steering fluid, try to find out where the leak is at. The battery acting crazy too, man. So I'm gonna go warranty that bitch out. And then yeah. That's about the two biggest things. And then, because I'm into that battery ain't right, then stuff ain't gonna run right, and that's all the whole kit and caboodle, man. So we're gonna get that battery swapped out. I don't know what's going on with these Optimus, man. They don't make them like they used to. That shit broke. I'm gonna need a new handle. Small thing though. Like this one was good. So we need one driver side handle, and then we need. So the back doors is good. It's on front. I don't know about this one. I would say on faith both front doors. Yeah, I mean them motherfuckers closed smooth as shit, but can't get that motherfucker to come like pull open. So we're just gonna order two front ones. You see, we got the window cracked. Get ready to be outside, boy. So power steering leak, we need to fix. Like I said, we're finna go up here and get this battery, and then tune, little tune, and then shit go from there. All right, so the truth of the matter is, man, we got All right, so the truth of the matter is, man, we got 7 days till Whipfest, which means it's crunch time. Yesterday when we pulled the car out the garage, shit was leaking power steering fluid, so I need to find out the source of the leak, get that fixed. Still gotta attempt to do some type of tune on it. I believe my transmission fluid may be a little low. So transmission fluid, the tune, power steering, and then we should be good. I mean, it'll go up on the trailer now, but like I said, these is like little last minute things. Still gotta put the grill on. At this point, like I'm kind of feeling like shit, I might just put the stock grill on them and not worry about the Tierra right now. But we can go ahead and put all the bells and the whistles, you know what I'm saying, our door vents and all that other stuff. That is like the vents, the strikers, you know what I'm saying, our doors or floor seals, door seals, floor plates or whatever. We can go ahead and put all them on there and then go from there. So yeah, man, crunch time before time. I still got a schedule to get the trailer. I'm saying, U-Haul for 3 days. I think it's almost $200. Which, I mean, in comparison to actually buying a trailer and maintaining it, like that's kind of cheap or whatever. But yeah, yeah, I think that's about it though. All right, morning. See, we at it. Trying to figure out this goddamn power steering leak, man. Like it's big. Like it's big. Like and the sooner we figure this shit out, the sooner we can move forward. I gotta be honest with you though, I ain't trying to change out the fucking power steering. You can see right there where it's kind of leaking from. Let me get some lights. Alright, so we sprayed down the area with brake cleaner. It pretty much cleaned it all up. So now we can see, we're gonna try to see exactly where it started leaking from and nail down the culprit. Is it an O-ring? Is it where exactly is it coming from? Like I said, if it's coming from behind this fucking pump, shit out of luck, dog. Shit out of luck, because I am not changing this fucking power steering pump. I don't think. I'll talk that shit now, but honestly, like, I really don't have the time between now and fucking Saturday. I might be able to squeeze it in Friday, but I mean, it'll be a tough squeeze. A tough fucking squeeze. But yeah, let me just sit the phone down and then guess we'll see where our issue coming from. To be honest, it's probably not nothing in there now. Alright, so from the looks of it, it's really kind of hard to tell where it's coming from the spread off again. It looks like it's coming down from somewhere. Yeah, see, if you stop it, you can see where it flows down. Hit it with the brake cleaner again. Brake cleaner, wipe it down, and then I said it's still trickling from somewhere. So it's not coming from the back like I thought. I thought it's coming from like an O-ring or something back here. So, I mean, really, at this point, the only thing I could probably recommend or whatever would be to change out the pump shit. Because as you can see, like, it's constantly leaking without the car even running. And if you look higher up on this side, I don't think it's coming from above. Like it's just coming from right there. So we're gonna let the car cool off. So I guess we gotta go get a fucking water pump or a fucking. I guess we gotta go get a goddamn power steering pump, and then yeah. Fuck. Not what I had on the fucking menu for today.